Today, let's have a look at the simple way to build passive income with AI in 2026. The chances are that you've clicked on this video because two words caught your eye: passive income and AI. And you're probably wondering two things. Can you really build a passive income online? And can AI actually help you do it? The short answer is yes, but maybe not in the way most people are telling you it can. You see, if you've watched a load of YouTube videos on AI, it's easy to come away thinking you need to become some sort of computer expert before you can even get started. The truth is, you don't. And in fact, I believe most people are making AI far more complicated than it needs to be. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to show you a much simpler approach, one where AI becomes your assistant rather than your replacement. And if you stick with me, I'll share with you one of the biggest mistakes I see people making with AI. It's a mistake that stops a lot of people before they really get started. By the way, if we haven't met before, I'm Gordon. I help people, especially those over 50, to build a passive income and generate quality leads using affiliate marketing without all the technical overwhelm. If you'd like to see exactly how I put all this together, I've created a free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass just for you. You'll find the link in the description below, and I think you'll get a lot from it. So let me start with something that completely changed the way I look at AI. When most people first discover it, they ask, what does AI do? To me, that's the wrong question. A much better thing to ask is, what jobs can AI do for me to save me time and effort? There's a world of difference. I see AI as another tool sitting on my desk, rather like the computer or a microphone or a camera. It helps me research topics. It helps me organize my thoughts. Sometimes it'll suggest a headline I hadn't thought of, or help me tidy up a paragraph that's not quite flowing properly. In other words, it takes care of a lot of the time-consuming jobs, so I can spend more time doing the parts that only I can do. And I really believe that this is where people over 50 have a genuine advantage. We have spent years solving problems. We've worked with people, we've made mistakes, learned lessons, and built up life experience that no AI can replace. AI does not make that experience any less valuable. If anything, it makes it increase the value because it helps you share what you already know more quickly. So don't think you're competing with a younger guy or a younger girl who know more about technology. You're bringing something to the table that they have had far less time to develop. It's called experience, and it's still one of the most valuable assets you'll ever have. Now, here's something else I've learned over the years. A lot of people think passive income starts with building the perfect business. Again, that's wrong. Passive income, or recurring income if you prefer the terminology, starts by helping one person solve one problem, and that should be your first aim. Think about the way you use the internet yourself. Every day, people are searching Google and asking questions on YouTube. They're simply looking for someone who can explain what they're searching for in plain English. That's where AI can be such a useful tool. It can help you discover the questions people are asking, organize your thoughts, and even help you put together a guide, an email, or the outline for a YouTube video. It can save you hours of work, but it still needs you to provide the experience, the common sense, and the human touch. In all of this, AI is not your replacement. It is your trusted friend, helping you to help someone else. That's the part so many videos about AI seem to miss. They spend all their time talking about the technology when the real opportunity is how it can help another person solve a problem. Get that right, and the technology simply becomes a tool to help you do it more efficiently. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, this all sounds really good, Gordon, but I'd really like someone to show me how all of these bits fit together. That is why I created a free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. In the masterclass, I'll walk you through the simple framework that I use myself and explain it all in plain English. There's no geek speak, no unnecessary complexity, and no pressure. Just practical ideas that you can start putting into practice straight away. If you'd like to have a look, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below this video. Now let me come back to the mistake I mentioned earlier. One of the biggest myths on the internet is that passive income means doing nothing. I wish that were true. If it was, I'd probably be recording this from a caravan parked beside the beach. The reality is that passive income starts with active effort. You create something that helps people, you improve it over time, and then you keep adding to it. Gradually, those individual pieces begin working together, but nothing happens if you don't take action. I often think of it like planting fruit trees. You don't plant one tree today and expect to make fruit salad tomorrow. But if you keep planting, keep looking after them, and give them time to grow, eventually you've got an orchard. Every article you write, every YouTube video you publish, every email you send out, every free guide you create, they're all little assets that keep working for you long after you've finished creating them. That's where AI really shines. It won't build the orchard for you, but it can sure as hell help you plant the trees a whole lot faster. One of the things I really like about AI is that it removes one of the biggest excuses I hear from people. And what's that? I'm not very good at writing. To be honest, writing never came naturally to me either. I've been fortunate enough to spend time in radio and television over the years, so talking into a microphone has never really worried me. Sitting down in front of a blank screen and trying to write something, now that is a whole completely different story. That's one of the reasons I enjoy using AI. It helps me organise my thoughts, come up with better headlines, and tidy up those awkward sentences we all seem to write from time to time. More than once it's rescued me from staring at a blank screen wondering, what am I doing here and what's going on? But there's one thing I never let AI do, and I think this is important. I never let it replace my voice. People don't subscribe to a YouTube channel because every sentence is technically perfect. They subscribe because they connect with the person behind the message. They want to hear your stories, your experiences, and your personality. AI can certainly help you say those things more clearly, but it can never replace the life you've lived or the lessons you've learned. That's why I always think of AI as my assistant rather than my replacement, and why I believe human content creation, with the help of AI, will eventually win the day over an AI mini-me. So where should you start? I'd keep it as simple as possible. Choose one group of people you'd like to help. Focus on one problem they're trying to solve and create one useful piece of content that genuinely helps them. If there's a product or service that you've used yourself and honestly believe will help them, recommend it. Then start building an email list from day one so you can continue helping those people over time. You don't need 50 different AI tools, and there are a lot of free to very reasonably priced tools available to you. Do not chase the shiny object. You also don't need to chase every new trend that pops up. You just need one simple system that you can keep repeating, because in my experience, simple systems get used. Complicated systems usually get abandoned. Which brings me to a final reminder about my free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. If today's video has shown you that building passive income with AI doesn't have to be complicated, you'll really enjoy the masterclass. It'll show you exactly how affiliate marketing, AI, and lead generation fit together in one straightforward system. And as always, it'll be explained in plain English. You'll find the link in the description below when you're ready. And honestly, there's no time like the present. So what's the biggest takeaway from today? I hope it is this thought. AI is not the opportunity. You are. AI is simply another tool, and like any tool, it's only as useful as the person using it. Your experience, your knowledge, and your willingness to help other people are still the things that build a successful online business. AI just helps you do some of the heavy lifting a little faster. So don't wait until you think you've mastered every new AI tool that comes along. Start with one simple process, improve it as you go, and let consistency do the hard work for you. Thanks very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because there is more where that came from. I've got plenty more videos on the way that are all about building passive income without all the tech overwhelm, and I'd love to have your company on this journey. Oh, and remember, keeping things simple is usually the fastest way to make real progress. Now, if you'd like to continue the next video, I'd recommend is easiest digital side hustle ideas to start in 2026 for over 50s, because it follows on perfectly from what we've talked about today. Just click on the video that's appearing on your screen now, and I'll see you over there.